Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Kemi's Lifestyle. So guys, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. Today we are planning to cook pancakes and these are the ingredients that we are using. So we have eggs, we have sugar, we have salt, we have 1 glass of milk, we have flour, and we have vanilla festival. So guys, stay with me till the end.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose your breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. It's like I can't